Hello everyone and welcome to my summer night routine. If you're new here, my name is Lexi and I just moved into a new apartment here in Dallas, Texas, and I do live with my boyfriend. So this is kind of our little night routine together, and he is actually not in the camera right now because he tends to make funny faces and do weird stuff during my intros. So
no, I don't.
He does. He does, but we love him anyways. It's fine. But this is kind of our like after work / night routine. What's going on over there, Sean?
Have some cheese for dinner.
And that also happens every night. So without further ado, let's get into this summer night routine video. Okay, so actually before we really get into this, every day when Sean gets home, we go for a walk either like around our little lake or like down near like developments and stuff just to get a little bit of exercise, and then we make dinner together, which we are going to do in 1 second, but just wanted to explain why my hair is wet and I'm not really ready for this video because
and also my hair because
oh, yeah.
you know
It's just like already dry
flow, but that's not how it usually is if
oh
you've seen
God.
any videos.
I can't. Well, I'm starving, so we are going to get started on dinner, and we are actually making pho tonight. If you're pho, we always say it wrong. We have been told the right way.
It's pho.
Pho. So, yeah.
Pho.
It's our first time making Thai food, one of our first soups we've ever made. Some of them came out really awesome. Most of our dinners are pretty awesome. Some of them are really bad. So, we're going to get started on that and continue taking you through our night routine with us. And that's a chicken for the soup. Okay, goodbye.
I'm not gonna say that.
Also, I'm on my phone because every recipe we use is either from Pinterest or is a cute little recipe. My recipe book, sorry, I'm distracted by the fact that Sean is eating more food out of the fridge before dinner.
I'm a growing boy.
Anyways, that's what I am doing.
Lex, you spoiled it. This is good turkey.
That's actually not the one I ordered. They replaced it on Instacart.
You still ordered good turkey. Oscar Mayer.
Alright. Now we're going to start our dinner.
This is my vegetable concoction.
A stew.
And over here is the nice rice noodles. And my lovely girlfriend and YouTube sensation, Lexi.
Thank you, Sean. And we have actually never made rice noodles either. And you don't put them in when the water is boiling, which is really weird to me. But it's almost done now, so we are going to finish up prepping and then eat and enjoy. Maybe we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so here is the final product. And Sean, how does it taste?
It tastes really good.
All right, we're gonna enjoy now. Okay, so another typical thing on my night routine, just finished dinner and everything from the cabinets and fridge is out because I literally need everything I own to eat a meal. Typical, and also Sean is doing the dishes.
Always.
What a nice guy. But we have other important things to do. We are going to water my garden because while I was at home, everything kind of started to die. So we are trying to fix it. It's fine. We'll fix it. It'll be great. But I do water them at, can you just off?
And the dishes.
1 second. But I do water them at night, every night. So we need to do that for the day. And I need like a watering can and like a shovel and stuff. Oh, sorry, Mr. Self.
So if there's any sponsors out there that are looking to sponsor Lexi for plants, feel free to send her an email.
I will not make you look good because I kill everything, so do not do that. Unless you believe in me that much, then I guess give it a shot. But I do use my measuring cup to water, so it works really well. And actually, even my kitchen plants are out there right now to get some light and stuff. Oh, shit. Oh.
Did you just spill all the water?
Yes. Okay, oh my gosh, this is actually really dying now. So here's my basil. Here are my flowers. And here's my other basil. So they're dead, officially dead. For the rest of my plants, it's just not going well. For those of you that are not aware, because actually, I don't think I ever posted that day in the life video. I definitely did not. So I'm going to look at that, edit it, and maybe post it like soon. But I literally just got these, like my second set of plants since I've been here for a month. So I'm really not thrilled about this, and no, it's not actually fun at all. We're still gonna water them, we're still trying. Also sharing this as part of our night routine because getting rid of this many packages happens way more often than it probably should. So Sean is headed to throw them away.
Dumpster.
Goodbye, Sean.
I'll be back.
Okay, so every night after dinner, we sit down on the couch to watch some fun shows, whatever's on. So tonight we are watching The Bachelor, and we are actually a night late, so since we were flying yesterday, actually.
Yep.
So we have to watch that, and we're really excited because we like to talk to everyone about it, and we haven't seen it yet, so we haven't been able to do that. So that's what we do every night after dinner, but we actually have a little story because tonight we decided, I don't know why this actually even came up, but we decided we wanted to maybe learn the area by Uber Eats driving. I say that so seriously, so seriously.
You get to go to all the different neighborhoods. Why not?
Exactly. So
and you make money by doing it.
It just sounds like an all-in-all great idea. I have no idea. Well, we had to apply, so I don't have a criminal record, so my background check should be fine because we actually did it on my account. So hopefully that comes back soon because we're really actually so excited to do it. But yeah, that's not something normally in our night routine. Obviously, we don't normally do crazy stuff like that, but tonight just sounded right. So we are going to get into relaxing and enjoying our show in our beautiful living room.
And stay tuned for an Uber Eats vlog.
That will be happening. It will definitely be happening. And I actually forgot to plug in my Apple Watch, so I need to do that before I go to bed because, oh, it is dark out here, Sean. And my little charging stand right here. And now that I'm all ready for bed, I know my, like, getting ready for bed routine is super easy. Actually, hold on. Alexa, turn on bedroom. Okay. And now it's time to get in bed. Okay, well, Sean takes out the pillows every night. The same. Okay, is that what you normally do? Oh. Well, as he brushes his teeth, he doesn't normally do it like this. He, like, literally sets the bed back up on the floor. So while he does that and brushes his teeth, literally, well, at the same time, just enjoy the view for a hot sec. So pretty, so pretty. And this cute little pajama / loungewear set that I have on, it's also from Amazon. So I will link it in the description because I just think it is so freaking cute and so comfortable. So yeah, that's what I am wearing. I wear something like this like most nights to, you know, like hang out and then sleep in. But yeah, love this one too. But now we are going to get in bed. So that is it for this summer night routine video. I hope you all enjoyed coming along me and my boyfriend's night routine with us. And we will see you all next time. Bye, guys.
Society, your body